Hello kids, welcome to our channel Education Marathon. Today we will learn rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. If you like my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Rhyming words. First, can, fan, man, ban, bat, cat, rat, mat, tab, calf, fav, lab, bad, dad, had, mad, ball, call, fall, hall, chip, ship, clip, flip, kid, did, lid, hid, cap, map, nap, gap, cop, mop, drop, crop, big, dig, fig, pig, car, jar, bar, star, jam, dam, ram, spam, straw, draw, saw, raw, cord, nod, odd, god, bit, kit, fit, hit, blue, glue, glue, true, gat, nat, jat, bat, man, dan, hand, pan, val, bal, sal, smell, chin, skin, thin, spin, caught, knot, hot, pot, bake, cake, fake, take, brain, drain, chain, pain, log, fog, dog, log, bun, fun, run, sun, pool, cool, tool, fool, speed, feed, weed, deed, love, dove, grub, above, nine, fine, wine, fine, kick, pick, lick, tick, cave, gave, save, wave, sing, king, wing, ring, soon, moon, spoon, noon, five, hive, live, dive, sand, wand, hand, land, lock, clock, block, rock, luck, duck, truck, pluck, brush, plush, flush, crush, mark, bark, dark, park, hold, 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 bold, phone, bone, zone, tone, sheep, keep, deep, jeep, nest, chest, rest, test, rose, nose, doze, close, boat, coat, float, goat, corn, stone, alone, bone, zoom, boom, room, bloom, jump, lump, bump, dump, nice, mice, slice, dice. Jute, mute, cute, flute. This, face, place, lace. Cook, book, took, hook. Height, tight, wide, sight. Late, rate, date, ate. 3, tree, free, agree. Thank you so much for watching this video.